Just a quick video. This truck, it's been parked here in the snow. We just had a great bunch of snow here in the last week or so. It's plugged in. Just fired right up. I had the jumpers were on it. I just kind of wanted to show you a little more detail on this truck. Tires are probably, I put them at 75%, but they're every bit of that. Might be closer to 80, 5 or 90, I don't know. The steer tires are essentially new. They're just doing a little bit of dirt work with it. We just had this bumper put on here in the last month. I know it's a little hard with the snow on here, but this is a super clean truck, Detroit Series 60 diesel. Just well cared for. It's got the 8 LL transmission in it. Lockers, 140 gallon fuel tanks on both sides. They've just had this Charger on here as kind of a maintainer. Headache rack. It's either a 48 or a 50-inch sleeper. Rubber's all virgin. No recaps or anything like that. Let's take a look inside. We're still sorting the mileage out. The speedo's been changed. It had miles on it, but we are thinking that it's somewhere in that 750,000 mile range. So again, here's no mattress or anything like that. I don't know if you can see that, but sorry about that. So there you go. It is still working. This fellow's got a truck here, and then he's got one over on the High Line in Montana. Comes over and runs work over here, and then he'll run home and run his other truck. So there you go, Arlee, Montana.